BYD short seller retreat ahead of earnings becomes 7th largest. Elon Musk. EU worried. August 23, 2024. Here are 5 highlights. 1. BYD results for the June quarter, due on August 28. 2. Short sellers are losing confidence. 3. The company achieved a record of nearly 1 million electric and hybrid car sales in the latest quarter. 4. Shares have risen over 6% in Hong Kong, outperforming peers like Tesla. 5. BYD climbed to the 7th largest automaker worldwide by vehicles sold. Now let's dive in. Short sellers are losing confidence in their bets against BYD company shares. Ticker BYDDF, which could continue to outperform other Chinese electric vehicle stocks if the company's upcoming results meet expectations, while company's results for the June quarter are due on August 28, 2024. Short interest in BYD's Hong Kong-listed shares has dropped to 1.4% as of August 21, down from a peak of 7.7% earlier this year, according to data from S&P Global Inc. Bearish bets are now at their lowest level since July 2023. The company achieved a record of nearly 1 million electric and hybrid car sales in the latest quarter, despite intense competition, raising expectations for an earnings rebound after 2 consecutive quarters of decline. The stakes are high for China's leading EV maker, especially following better-than-expected reports from rivals Geely Automobile Holdings Limited and Xiaomi Corp. We expect BYD's margins to continue improving, supported by higher operating leverage, said Bing Yuan, a fund manager at Edmond de Rothschild Asset Management. The expected launch of new models in the current quarter should further enhance market share and earnings visibility, she added. This year, the company's shares have risen over 6% in Hong Kong, outperforming peers like Tesla Inc. and NIO Inc., which have faced losses. BYD's robust revenue growth has made its stock more resilient to concerns about weakened demand and aggressive price cuts in the industry. In a major shift within the global automotive sector, China's BYD has climbed to the position of the 7th largest automaker worldwide by vehicles sold during the April-June quarter, according to data from automakers and research firm Mark Lines. This impressive leap was fueled by a 40% year-on-year increase in sales, totaling 980,000 units, largely driven by the rising demand for BYD's affordable electric vehicles, EVs. BYD's rapid rise in the automotive rankings is especially significant, as many leading global automakers, including industry giants like Toyota Motor and Volkswagen Group, saw declines during the same period. A significant portion of BYD's growth can be attributed to its expanding overseas market, where sales nearly tripled compared to the previous year, reaching 105,000 units. The Chinese carmaker outpaced Japan's Honda Motor and Nissan Motor in sales volume during the April-June quarter, securing its position as the 7th largest car manufacturer globally, thanks to its offering of low-cost electric cars. This insight comes from the latest data from the sector research company Mark Lines, as reported by the Nikkei newspaper. While sales within China are less profitable than exports, higher plant utilization and other economies of scale have helped protect BYD's overall margins. Most sell-side analysts estimate that its net profit per vehicle has rebounded to around 8,000 yuan, $1,120, after bottoming out at around 6,000 yuan in the first quarter, according to data compiled by Bloomberg. However, BYD's exports contributed only 8.8% to its monthly sales in July, down from a recent peak of 13.1% in April. The threat of additional European Union tariffs could lead to further declines in the industry, with Geely recently warning of a potential negative impact on its sales. If the European downtrend continues, China's EV makers might need to explore other markets to sustain lucrative exports. Investors could be closely watching any update to BYD's overseas strategy after the EU imposed higher tariffs, wrote Joanna Chen, an analyst at Bloomberg Intelligence, in a note. She added that she expects the company's results for the June quarter, due on August 28, to be solid. The average estimate for BYD's 12-month forward earnings per share has risen by about 11% since late April. Although the stock has outperformed its peers, it's still trading at only about 15 times expected earnings, roughly one-third of its 5-year average. Expectations were low at the beginning of the year, but both sell-side and buy-side have raised expectations meaningfully since as the company delivered on results and monthly sales looked fine, said Shin Yao-ing, Director of Investment at BYD Asia Limited. The share price does look cheap relative to the company's potential. Do you have BYD stock ticker BYDDF? How high could it go? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Good luck and good profit, by Edward Cash Trader.